Federal taxes are undergoing some changes this year. Before you file yours, here are a few things you should know. One of the biggest changes is, of course, the carbon tax. The federal government has put this in place in the 4 provinces that don't have their own climate plan. As of this year, residents of Manitoba, New Brunswick, Ontario, and Saskatchewan will be paying 4.4 cents more per litre of gasoline. But they will also be eligible for a new tax rebate. Ottawa plans to return much of the revenue from the carbon tax in the form of payments to tax filers. The amount of the rebate will vary from province to province. It will range from $248 on average per household in New Brunswick to $698 in Saskatchewan. The rebates will be larger on the prairies because those economies are more impacted by the tax. The government is worried Canadians aren't saving enough for retirement, so it's boosting the Canada Pension Plan. You're going to see a bit more money taken off your paycheck for the CPP starting this year. The CPP changes this year are minor, amounting to a few dozen dollars more per year for most taxpayers. The Quebec pension plan will see similar increases. But that's not the end of it. CPP premium hikes will continue for 7 more years. The changes will eventually mean more generous payouts for retirees. Good news for small business owners. You will see a lower federal tax rate this year, 9%, down from 10% last year. But some small business owners may pay higher taxes on the so-called passive income that their business generates. Some Canadian high earners have used small businesses as a loophole to shelter their earnings from higher individual tax rates. The government wants to reduce the use of this loophole by raising taxes on the passive income in businesses. There's a new Canada Workers Benefit to help out low-income earners. It's designed to encourage people to stay in the workforce by reducing the sting of income taxes. The new program is more generous than the previous working income tax benefit that it replaces. Low-income individuals can get up to $1,355 back from the government, almost $300 more than before. For people with eligible spouses or children, the maximum is $2,355, about $430 more. Employment insurance premiums will also be changing. People earning under $50,000 a year will see a slight decrease in their payments, while those earning more will see a very slight increase. Finally, don't forget this year's tax deadlines. If you want a refund from an RRSP contribution this year, you need to put that money in there by March 1st. For self-employed Canadians, the tax filing deadline is June 15, but for most Canadians, it's April 30th, so mark that on your calendar.